Hi friends, my name is Aftab. Welcome to Magento 2 series. In this video, we are cover content management system and CMS and static block. So guys, to start, we are going to in admin section and enter username and password is password and enter. So guys, this is content management system in Magento 2. So here is some options: page, pages, blocks, widget, configuration, theme, and schedule. So guys, first of talk about pages. So pages simple as in Magento 1, like you can add anything like about us, terms condition, privacy policy, like here is add like this about, right, this is test page. No, not test. This is test page, right? And content here is heading. We need something test heading, right? And here is add something. We add directly like this. This is test content, right? And we can also use inside some div like we have in HTML CSS classes. So add here div class custom text page, right? And enter here, close here div, right? So if you have CSS, you want to look and feel, so you can add class or ID, maybe like this ID, like this test. So you can add easily test or class both, right? And guys, this is search engine optimization. This is very important. Google and other search engines need for add meta title for read for title and meta description like this. Suppose you go to Google and enter Magento 2 download like this. Right. So guys, this this title like meta title, meta keyword, this is Magento download, and description, meta description like this. Okay, so need, very important need for this. So here is enter like same as here task page, right? Or if you no need enter this, this is automatically take after submission. Okay, after submission automatically take URL. So test page, test keyword, right? And description is this is test page, right? And page website. Guys, here is show all stores. So if you want to display any specific store, so you want to select a specific store. If otherwise you want to show this page all stores, so choose first one, all store, right? Depends on your as requirement, right? And second things is design design. If you want to layout, first column layout or second column, third column, right? This is your choice. If you want to empty, this is directly called by parent, right? And this is custom, Or if you want to season, suppose you want to summer 2 column and winter 3 column, so you can schedule it, right? Save this page and see what is look like. This is our task page. Okay, we click on view and see. This is task, right? This is test page. Back to page, click on this, and enter. Here is no, this is one column, right? See, refresh it. This is already one column, so nothing changes. And again, click on this and click on left column now, right? And save it and refresh it. This is, see, content in the half middle and header is top, right? And like this, click on services page like this, added this page, service page. So guys, same is this service page. If you have about this, you can I think I'm not pressing cash. It's reason of, so guys, this is based on where to w to html and so guys, this is for flashing cache, php magento and cache flash. What's the reason not coming header? I don't know. Click on this. I think take a bit time because yeah, now it's coming because I don't know why not come header, because we just okay guys. This is second column because we not flash a cache. That's the reason only rendering content section, not header and left navigation, because Magento 2 is rendering all static and pages section. Well, here is restore all area. In just a bit, see your go to Magento and Pub and static. This is front end. Magento, Luma, and here is all stores like here is Magento search, themes, Magento themes, JS, and all that, right? So that's the reason not come our page. Okay. So and again go to task page, add it, and again go to one page because in the second and first page look like the same. Not understand what is. Okay, guys, this is first column again and click here. So guys, this is first column. Cool. And again click on we change the 3 column. Okay, free column and refresh it. See, this is third column, free column, right? And same as two column left, two column right as per your requirement. Okay, guys, this is as per your design. You want to change this, and you can add div classes content inside the content area if you need. Like refresh it and you see this. Okay, and you can add here classes if you need. Look like this. I'm just explaining it like this. This is, guys, for div class content customer CMS page. The same as if you want to copy this, or you can add your custom classes, so it's also fine. So click here in our test page and click on content and copy paste. Okay, and here it goes, go to here. This is, guys, this cool, perfect. And one more also, here is go to page and change the more one column, then also look perfect. This one, save and click on here. See, perfect. So, guys, this is perfectly designed. And if you want to change CSS, so you can change your CSS by CSS developer, like color, red. So this is header will automatically change. So inherit these classes in your custom theme, or maybe you can write code inside this style sheet, right? Sorry. So this is, guys, page management system in Magento 2, and we are talking about blocks. So, guys, blocks same as work pages, but pages blocks not directly view like page. This is called by indirectly, and you can add something here for block. I think last time we are add some block for category. I remember. Yeah, this one. We are at promotion test category, right? So this is not open directly, but you can call via controller or via XML any PHP file, or inside a category catalog system or page also, like this. You want to add here, we are add some, we want this content here. So we are going to here, right, and remove all this and insert, right, CMS block, right, and here is no have nothing have here is like this. So select block, this one, last one, right, insert these guys, add this, save, and go to here. See, this is test block HTML, and also need for some dummy content here. So clear, this is new content. Okay, guys, save it and refresh it. Oh, okay. Not flashing cache because I'm enabling cache, so that's the reason not reflecting. Okay, refresh it and do this. This is wow. So guys, you can directly add content by a page, or if you want to add some inside any area and inside any specific section, so you can add blog, or you by a widget call your blog by a widget, right? So this is page, blog, and widget, right? And third one is theme configuration. So guys, theme configuration is a theme management system. If you have more theme, so you can set here your theme. If you have, so in upcoming videos definitely we build custom theme, so you can add your theme here. Or if you have multiple stores, so you can add different themes for different stores. So that's the reason also used for this feature. Like here is show all store, like this web main store or main website. If you have another store like UK store, Australian store, Indian store, Russian store, Singapore store, so all store represented here, listed here. So if you want to add any specific country for a specific design, so you can choose a specific store for a specific theme, right? So this is theme configuration. And here is also listed themes, right? Luma blank and Magento blank, right? And third one is scheduling. So same thing, scheduling for if you want to add any specific winter, summer time. So you want to a specific time, only 3 months, this theme, after theme, another theme. So you can schedule it also. So guys, this is content management system in Magento 2. So guys, if you have any problem about page, blog, widget, theme configuration inside the theme, inside content management system, please comments me or mail me. I definitely give your answer. Thanks for watching, and we will meet in next video. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. Don't forget. Thanks.